If someone watched TPC all day tapos walang ginawa sa buhay, that person, you'd be like, hey, listen.
I appreciate it, pero parang problema na yan sa totoo lang.
Exactly, problema na yan. What is your current biggest struggle?
Isa sa struggle ko lately is doom scrolling din.
Doom scrolling.
Doom scrolling din kasi recognize ko na siya bilang problema eh. At marami na akong bagay na nagawa akong tama sa sarili ko at ang unang step lagi is recognizing the problem.
Yes,
Pero
recognizing.
pakiramdam ko, isa sa poisonous talaga na problema ng modernong mundo ngayon is doom scrolling. Yeah. At ano siya, tricky siya na problema sa akin kasi
Trabaho
ako
mo
mismo, trabaho siya eh. Alam ko sa sarili ko kung gaano ka-effective na tulang social media to change your own life.
Absolutely.
Yeah? So, hahanap ka ng way to effectively create your content in a way na mapapaklik yung mga tao and they'll be interested to watch you sa phone nila.
Mm.
And at the same time, meron akong inner struggle na ito yung pinoproblema ko as a creator kung paano ko sila mapapastick sa phone nila. And at the same time, problema ko naman bilang tao is paano ko ma-unstuck yung face ko sa phone.
So you're basically have this inner conflict. Ito yung nagbibigay sa akin ng livelihood tapos di ko...
I know it can
parang
be a good
you're
thing.
feeling like, yes, but too much of it will affect you. If someone watched TPC all day tapos walang ginawa sa buhay, that person, you'd be like, hey, listen.
I appreciate it, pero parang problema na yan sa totoo lang.
Exactly, problema na yan. So, how has it affected you? Like, give me the things that, ito yung na-feel mo, oh my God, grabe, it's a real thing. Meaning, may consequences ka nang na-identify sa harap mo.
Ito, una sa lahat, syempre, it makes you feel guilty right after mong magsayang ng oras. Kasi alam mo yung eksaktong pwede mo sanang nagawa. Kunwari, I doom scrolled. Kunwari, magising ako ng 9 na wala ako ganong agenda. Magigising ako ng 9, sasabihin ko sa sarili ko, phone muna ako saglit. Bago bumangon, bago ako maging productive. Ang bilis from 9 to 11 to 12. Ang bilis maubos nang hindi mo napapansin na you consumed your way nonsensically papuntang 12 p.m.
Kasi walang intensyon. Walang intensyon.
Walang
Wala
intensyon.
kang plinan na magsuscroll ako 9 to 12 to do this. Wala. Binuksan mo lang.
Binuksan ko lang. Na ang isip ko, bago man lang ako tumayo, let me do this feel-good thing na nakaka-entertain. Pero pagdating ko sa alas 12 na bigla nandun na yung guilt na I wasted my time. At ang masama pa nun, I know na problema na siya eh. Kasi ano siya eh, nangyayari na, occurring na siya. Ilang beses ko na na-realize na problema to. Pero mahirap siyang ayusin ng problema. So ang ginawa ko, nag-download ako ng app na binablock ako.
Perfect.
From accessing yung mga bagay na alam kong kumukuha ng attention ko, which is social media. Na ang sad kasi mostly ng business ko na social media, pero ako tong tao na alam kong problema siya.
But you can't give value on social media if social media takes more of your time to create that value.
Yeah,
Ang hirap.
ang hirap.
So that's your thing.
Yun ang
So you
thing ko.
have that app blocker. You have
may
everything.
app blocker ako.
There's something that I never did, pero I think if it's done, people like you and me will benefit. Alex Hormozi had this thing where every 15 minutes maglagay ka ng sheet, even like Google Sheet. Anong ginawa mo within that 15 minutes? Just write it down. Every 15 minutes. 9 to 9:15 itong ginawa ko. 9:15 to 9:30 itong ginawa ko. 9:30 to 9:45 itong ginawa ko. 9:45 to 10 itong ginawa ko. Just put the shit that you do. You will be made like aware of just how much your actions and how much time it takes. So you'll be aware it's a double-edged sword. Yung mga nagawa mo, ibilig, nagawa ko lahat to.
Yeah.
And yung mga hindi mo nagawa, screenol ko lahat to. Pero if you write it down, every 15 minutes, try that.
Susubukan ko.
Try mo
Gagawin
for
ko.
like a week. If you can do it, because I've never done it. Because I'm just like, I know I need to do it, but I'm just like, hindi. Pero kung nagawa mo, tell me how it works for you and tell me how it's helped.
Gagawin ko talaga.
Gagawin mo?
Gagawin ko talaga.
Help me. Do it.
Kasi
I need
eto
to do it.
yung app blocker, yes, effective siya.
Yeah.
Minsan nagiging ako. Kasi pag pinindot mo yung, yung nagtitake ng time mo, kunwari,
Yeah.
Facebook,
Yeah.
iba-block ng app.
Yeah.
Pero minsan nandun yung urge na matindi. Pwede mo pa siyang i-bypass eh.
Yun na nga eh.
So,
ignore for 15 minutes.
Kailangan ko ng extra system pa.
Extra system.
Pero yeah, yun yung bagay na sa tingin kong
Write it down. Itong ginawa ko, itong ginawa ko. Kasi dati kung nag-scroll ako ngayon at like 9 o'clock, tingnan mo nagawa natin. We got to shoot multiple collabs within the span of like how many hours?
Saglit
Diba?
lang.
Like it's like sobra. And then now we got to do so much stuff. So doom scrolling for you.
doom scrolling talaga.
Let me know how you do that.
I'll
ha?
let you know talaga.
Sige, sige.